Can you bring two 20,000 mAh power banks on a plane? Traveling with electronic devices is now common, and passengers often require them to remain charged during long flights. Yes, you can carry two 20,000 mAh power banks on a plane, as this equates to less than 100 watt-hours. However, be aware of specific guidelines and restrictions before packing. Understanding airline policies for power banks is crucial. Airlines often restrict the quantity and capacity of lithium-ion batteries in cabin luggage. You can carry two power banks, but they should not exceed a combined capacity of 2,000 mAh. These should always be in your carry-on luggage, not checked baggage. The largest battery you can bring on a plane is usually 100 watt-hours per battery. If your power bank is rated between 100 watt-hours and 160 watt-hours, you need airline approval. Power banks with exceedingly high capacity, like 30,000 mAh, are typically not allowed without airline permission. Remember, power banks under 100 watt-hours can be carried in cabin luggage, but those between 100 watt-hours, 160 watt-hours require airline approval. Batteries over 30,000 mAh or 100 watt-hours are generally not allowed without permission. Power banks are not allowed in checked baggage due to fire risk. Specific airlines may have more restrictions, so always check before travel. When packing power banks, protect them against short circuits by individually shielding them. They must only be transported in hand luggage due to potential fire risk with lithium-ion batteries in the cargo hold. Travelers and tech experts share experiences and advice on traveling with power banks. Stay within airline regulations to avoid security issues, and always check with your airline for the latest information. In conclusion, you can bring two 20,000 mAh power banks on a plane in your carry-on luggage. Always pack them properly, minimizing the risk of short circuits or damage, to keep your devices powered during your journey. Monica Barlow shares an anecdote about a traveler carrying 4 power banks. The traveler was reminded of the 100 watt-hours limit, which resulted in some amusement for other passengers. Always remember to adhere to guidelines for a hassle-free journey. Thanks for watching.